Hello, bug friends. Welcome to our virtual bug tour. Here we are at El Septimo Paraiso in the cloud forest, and I just wanted to show off this absolutely gorgeous and gigantic stick insect.
And before y'all be like, that's a perspective trick, here on the bottom is my client taking a picture of it, and here it is next to my hand. Like, it really is that big. Stick insects are notoriously understudied, so there's not too much I'll be able to talk to you about her except for general information. We do know that it is a her because as we look at the tip of her abdomen, you can see what I like to call the egg shoot, which is, they're up in the canopy and the eggs just fall down to the ground. Males have a big club-like structure at the end of their abdomen, and that is all of their genitalia. We found her clinging to the top of a skinny but taller than us tree, and we did have to push the tree down so that way we could grab her and put her into a spot that was easier to photograph. This is very typical stick insect behavior. They tend to come out at night and they tend to come down from the canopy because during the day they're hiding from all of their predators. They're hiding under leaves, they're hiding, on the branches, camouflaging, living their best life. And then at night is when they will come down or at least start searching for soft new leaves to begin eating. So this was like the perfect time to find her. It had just stopped raining, so the humidity was really high. Nighttime, perfect time if you're looking for stick insects. Remember, if you want to see bugs like this and learn about their evolution or learn how to draw them, I've got 2 tours coming up, so check them out.